Video blogging is the next generation of posting ideas and products over the internet. Everybody knows about text blogging. Now they use videos for a better way of expression. This form of communication may entail a lot of resources, but it is all worth it. If pictures say 1,000 words, video blogging exceeds that by far. A video blog requires larger disk spaces on websites, a faster server, and a whole new set of programs to support it. Video blogs can be fed through RSS. This is technology of syndicating your website to other RSS aggregators. Video blogging works with people on the internet expressing themselves. Now if you put this on a business perspective, you are up to a lot of benefits. Think of it as a powerful tool in showing your prospective customers your line of products or your services. It's just like showing a commercial all for free. And if you video blog through RSS, then most probably you are getting your target market. People like to see what they are going to buy. Some would like to see proof and be sure that they are getting their money's worth before shelving their dimes on it. All of us know the influence of a 30-second commercial. The effect of video blogging is similar to that. You show your product, people watch it. If they like it, they buy it. If you present it good enough, they'll buy the product, even if they don't need it. Now on the web, things are pretty much static, unlike in television in which all are moving. If you post something that is mobile, it would most likely catch attention. Now imaging your product parading in all its royalty through video blog. You'll get phone call orders in no time. If your business is just starting up, you can create a video blog right at your own home. All you need is your web camera, microphone, video software, and lights. For as long as you know how to use your camera, then you can create a video blog. Invest in a good web camera. The higher its resolution is, the better the output. And you like to present your goods in the optimum way, so get the best one possible. Make a short story, or just capture your goods in one go. Just make sure you are getting the best profile for each. Get those creativity juices flowing. Lights are important in a production. Make sure you illuminate entirely the area you are going to use to create video blog. The brighter the area, the crispier the images will be. You can also use lighting effects for added appeal to the presentation. Should you require sounds for your video blog, you need a microphone. Record your voice as a voiceover for promoting the product and its benefit to consumers. Sounds are as important as videos on a video blog. It is advisable to make your sound effects as enticing as the video. Your video editing software can't be any program. You need this to finalize your work. You can add sounds, delete some bad angles, or insert some still pictures in there too. Some programs are user-friendly and can be used even with zero knowledge on video editing. Even simple video editing programs should do the trick. Select your background carefully too. The light affects the presentation, so make sure that the background and the light complements each other. Video blogging is a great tool, but it also has its downside. It may slow down the computer, so others may steer clear of it. Download time may also be time-consuming, especially if customer is still on a dial-up connection. But don't let those stop you. Let video blogging be an alternative for you, though it is best to still keep the text and pictures present in your presentation to accommodate all possible viewers of your site. Nowadays, the more creative you are in presenting your product to the market, the more you are likely to succeed. Video blogging offers an interactive way of selling. You involve the customers. You instill in them the advantage of your goods. And at times, those are enough to make a sale,